Welcome to the official YouTube channel of St. Anthony National School, Wardha. Today's topic is mechanism of photosynthesis. As we know, photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of CO2 and water. Today we are going to learn how it happens. Generally, the mechanism of photosynthesis includes two phases. One is light phase, another one is dark phase. These two are the distinct phases but are related with each other. We will learn how. First, light phase of reaction. This is also known as Heill's reaction. This is the light dependent reaction. Here, whatever sunlight is absorbed by the plant is utilized in the whole process. First step of this is excitation of chlorophyll molecule. The green leaves of the plant contain chlorophyll in the chloroplast. These chlorophyll molecules get excited. They get activated when they absorb the light energy. This excitation makes them to the higher energy level. After the excitation, the process of photolysis of water takes place. In photolysis of water, the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll molecule is utilized for dissociation of water molecule or splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. So in this way, photolysis means splitting of water molecule takes place in the presence of light. So this is known as photolysis of water. Further, these H ions will be utilized in the formation of reducing agent and OH ion will form the molecular oxygen. So next step is production of molecular oxygen. In this case, the 4 OH ions form which release the free electron. This free electron further will be carried in the electron transport system and water and oxygen is evolved. During this process, we can see oxygen has been released. So total amount of whatever oxygen is released during total photosynthesis is formed during the process of photolysis of water. No molecule of oxygen is formed by carbon dioxide. Complete release of oxygen will be with the photolysis of water only. Next step of this is photophosphorylation. This is nothing but the formation of energy-rich molecule, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It occurs with the help of addition of one inorganic phosphate into adenosine diphosphate molecule with the help of electron which is released during photolysis of water. This ATP will be utilized in the dark phase of photosynthesis. Second, production of reducing agent. We know that CO2 reduced to glucose, C6H12O6. So here addition of hydrogen in the reduction of carbon dioxide occurs with the help of reducing agent NADPH. Here NADP get reduced. NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, absorbs H ion released in the process of photolysis of water. Electrons which are free in the photolysis of water, together they form NADPH, the reducing power. This reducing power will be utilized in the dark reaction. So in this way, ATP and NADPH which are formed in the light reaction are utilized in the dark reaction. That's why we used to say that dark and light reactions are distinct but they are related reactions. Now we will see the dark reaction or Blackman's reaction. In dark reaction, this name suggests it does not require light. So this is also known as light independent reaction. In this reaction, the light is not required. Remember, it does not mean that dark reaction takes place at night. Dark reaction and light reaction occurs simultaneously. There is the fraction of second gap in between them, that is 1/10 of 1 second. That much gap is there, 1,000th of 1 second. That much gap is there in between the two reactions. So they occur simultaneously. So first step of dark reaction is fixation of CO2. Carbon dioxide, which is in the form of gas, now will no longer, it will not be a gas, but it get converted into unstable 6 carbon molecule. This is because of one molecule of carbon dioxide combines with ribulose biphosphate, which is a 5 carbon compound, in the presence of ribulose biphosphate coenzyme. Then it forms unstable 6 carbon compound. This unstable 6 carbon compound again dissociates into 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound known as phosphoglyceric acid. Then such kind of 6 cycles will form 12 molecules of 3 phosphoglyceric acid, and in the next step these 12 PGA molecule will be broken into 2 and 10. These 2 will be utilized to form glucose and 10 will be utilized to regenerate ribulose biphosphate. In that way, ribulose biphosphate will be regenerated back in the dark reaction and carbon dioxide get converted into glucose in the dark phase of reaction. So in this way, the photosynthesis process get completed by both light and dark reaction. That's why photosynthesis takes place during day in the presence of light only. Thank you.